Suffering is all that we talk about. Confusion, delusion, and everybody's stressed out. The only one to save us is him, there's no doubt. He's Sadashiva Mahadeva. He's an avatar of everything at his feet. So feel free, just let it be. Watch him come while you listen to me. இந்த உலகத்தை அரசன் போல் வாராருடா. அது யாருடா நீ சொல்லடா, அது யாருடா? Should I tell you who's here? None other than Nityananda. Jagadguru Nityananda. Emperuman Nityananda. That's right, Paramahamsa Nityananda. Shiva Mahadeva say I see you and don't track my heart goes stuck stuck. Let's sing it once more. Nityananda Sadashiva Mahadeva say I see you and don't track my heart goes stuck stuck. He's Sadashiva Mahadeva. He's another time.
Om. Now is the time for initiation. Only if Ganapati has blessed you, Nandi has given permission, you will be able to sit now for this initiation, whether or one way or two way. If you are here for initiation, bow down to Mahaganapati first. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Mahaganapataye Namaha. Om Paramashivaswarupaya Mahanandidevaya Namaha. Om Paramashivoham. Paramashivoham. Now sit straight. You can keep your eyes open or closed, no problem. If you have Atmalinga, keep the Atmalinga in your hands. I'm going to lead you into this parallel universe, multiverses. The higher and higher lokas, Suvar Loka, Mahar Loka, Jana Loka, Tapo Loka, Brahma Loka, Paramapada, then Kailasa, Mahakailasa. Understand? I'm going to infuse intense Kundalini Shakti, fuel directly brought from Mahakailasa, into your spine, Merudanda, where your being resides. So now your Tejas, Ojas, Kundalini Shakti will just shoot up through this initiation, Shaktipada, Shaktinipada, intensely. Paramashiva will manifest You will be literally conscious lifted to Mahakailasa with the grace of Ganapati, Nandi, Paramashiva himself. So sit straight. You can keep your eyes closed or open. I'm going to recite from Kamikagama, Jnanapada of Kamikagama, Mrigendragama, some of the verses, mantras, and infuse Shaktipada, Shaktinipada initiation into your spine. Om, 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 Om. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Om, 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 Om. Om Shiva, 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 Shiva. Tannamato dipadittaha Shumanam nipodami Avasam paradalakyam Nitalam cha Gapastimat Mahatalam rasam kancha Patalam saptakam muni Saptasveteshu Daityendra Bhujakakshantarattaraha Sapta Sapta Sanyata Tanabhyata Nipodami Daitya Sankushrati Purve Prahalata Shishupalakaha Karkanduha Hiranyaksha Brihadgarbho Balistataha Katraveyo Kutillako Vashuki Kambalastaha Tataha Karkodagota Kalinga Turdarsha Takshakakstataha Vikato Lokitakshascha Yamakyo Vikatannakaha Karalopi Bhimani Krita Pingalacheti Rakshashaha Tesham Parinischesha Patalatipatishwaraha Om 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 Jambudvipam Stirnapi Tattvastam Lakshayojanam Sharadvina Parivitam Parivyattena Tattavatal Tasya Madhye Stita Shailo Rajarajo Hiranmayaha Tirasnai Tamshumajyotir Merusurani Sevitaha Shashodasa Sahasrani Shitau Visto Mahitala Pradunnamunnato Laksha मूले षोडशविस्त्यतः त्रिषु पादान्तरेष्वस्य चतुर्विदेषु पर्वसु नेमया कटककार निर्गतदीप्तिमत्तरः एकदाशासहस्राण्ये मनुःसहस्राकिपरः ॐ ॐ ॐ ॐ ॐ ॐ ॐ ॐ ॐ ॐ शिव 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 शिवोऽहं 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 परमशिव 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 परमशिवोऽहं परमशिवोऽहं परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्दम् ॐ नित्यानन्दम् ॐ ह्रीं नित्यानन्दाय नमः ॐ ह्रीं नित्यानन्दाय नमः ॐ ह्रीं नित्यानन्दाय नमः ॐ नित्यानन्दपरमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्दपरमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्दपरमशिवोऽहम् ॐ ॐ ॐ ॐ ॐ निमीर्यामस्तकोपन्ते लोकपालशमाश्रय चक्रवतीति तमाहु सर्वरत्न प्रभावतीं सिद्धगन्धर्व मरुतं ततः पर्वसु स्थितः तस्यमास्तशु शृङ्गेषु पूर्योस्तौ समवस्थितः Paramashiva here as the living manifestation Paramavatara here raises you all through the girdle at the top of the upper section, serves as the dwelling place for the 8 Lokapalas. The knowers of the scriptures call it Chakravataha and is shimmering with the resplendent rays of all the gems. At the griddles which are below the Chakravata, there is the residence of Siddhas, Gandharvas and Maruts. On the 8 summits of Chakravata, there are 8 cities. Praschadi Vindramukyanam Namatastannami Bodhame Nanaratna Prabhachala मण्डलाङ्क्य हितहरे सिद्धसाध्य मरुच्युष्ट रुक्मापुर अमरावतिः रक्तपीता मणिप्रय हेम प्रकरगोपुर वन्नेस्तेजोवती वन्नी तुल्यभूतनिसेविता मोक्ष्यो संयमिनी तुंगलोहप्रकरमण्डल कालपासपितृव्याती प्रेतमारीनिसेविता कृष्णदैत्यापतेर्मिथ्यो तमवद्दैत्यसेविता नीलारत्नप्रपज्जाल वितानवरभूषण शुद्धवत्याम् पुनत्तस्य स्फटिकोपालनिर्मित वन्दराप्रमो पामैर् यतः सेवितपति तमदिः परमशिव शक्तिनी पाद manifest in all of us, rise above the cities belonging to Indra, and other Lokabalas are in the 8 directions starting from the east. Amaravati of Indra in the east, beautified with the clusters and shimmering arrays of the rays of the various precious gems. It is frequently resorted to by various groups such as Siddhas, Sadhyas and Maruts. It is with the stretch of golden land. The city is called Tejovati, belonging to Agni in the southeast. It is abounding in gems which are in red color and whitish yellow color. It's provided with the enclosures and gopuras constructed with gold. It is frequented by devas who are in likeness of Agni Deva. The city known as Samyamini, belonging to Yama, is in the south. It is provided with highly raised ramparts, surrounding enclosures constructed with iron. Go above the Yama city, served by various troops of Yama such as Kalapasa, Pitru, Vyadi, Preta, Mari and others. The Nairuti city is Krishnavati, Lord of Daityas. Is resorted by Daityas. It's a mansion richly decorated with wonderful canopies rays of sapphire, resplendent rays of sapphire. Next, city known as Shuddhavati, belonging to Varuna, lord of water in the west. It is constructed with Spatika crystal stones, shines forth with bright buildings like white cloud, resorted by various aquatic beings such as tortoise, fishes, sharks. With the grace of Paramashiva's Shaktipada and Shaktinipada, rise above all this. Om, Om, Om. Vayorgantavadi tungas Svetapita Tvachakula Balavat Buddha Samjushta Sarvaratna Vinirmita Mahodaya Chandramashas Sveta Muktadi Nirmita Vijasangastu Tapadi Grihairahi Mahiriprabai Jwalalatak Triktadadam Smaramthyu Yashobitaha Puri Yashovati Sarva Ratnacha Ratnasev Rudra Sevitaha Idis Sarvartu Shukatas Chakravartitaha Chakravartata Vishyataha Istrutaha Om Om Om. City of Gandhavati belonging to Vayu in the northwest. Highly raised flags designated in white and yellowish white color. It's constructed with all gems, served by the Bhuta Ganas, known for their strength and vigor. City called Mahodaya belongs to Kubera in the north, constructed with white stones such as moonstone, pearls and others, resplendent with mansions. Whose brightness is comparable to the effulgence of Himalayan mountains, extolled by the hosts of Brahmins and sages. The city called Mahodaya shines. Next, the city called Yashovati is in the northeast, belongs to Ishana, who attained prominence and glory by incinerating Manmata and Yama with the sparks emitted by his fiery eye in his forehead. It is constructed with all kinds of precious gems and it is served by Rudras. These cities are capable of yielding the sources of pleasures which could be gained in all seasons. These are with the extent measuring the half extent of Chakravata. कुर्योस्तव निलोद्भूत पारिजातराजोरुणः वेतस निर्मित लोकपाल चक्रानुवर्तिनम् भूतये स्वर्ग इत्येता जियन्ते कविभिक्षितौ। These 8 cities appear reddened by the pollen of parijata flowers diffused over the wind have been created by Brahma. These are indeed heavens designed for the sake of Lokapalas and for the sake of those who carry out their orders and who follow their directions to attain rich resources. With the grace of Paramashiva, let the DNA of Parijata land in planet Earth and bless all of us. Om, Om, Om. Supernal effulgence of Paramashiva manifest in all of us. Om, 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 Om. Om, Om, Om. चतुर्दशसहस्राणि योजनं स्वयंभुवः मध्ये मनोवती नाम पुरिलोकेशवन्दित यचक्र अरुणानुश्चै वियमार्गान् महाश्रिय सवित्र्या स्पर्धमानेव स्वर्गकामादिवर्तिनि तस्यमुपासते देव मुनयाश्च महाजसः महौजसः महायोगीश्वरं सिद्ध्यै यमाद्यैर्भूतवेदसम्। Om. At the top of the Mount Meru, in its middle, there is a city called Manavati, having an extent and height of 14,000 yojanas. This is the city of Brahma. It is honored by Lokapalas. Effulgent clusters of brilliant rays emitted by the precious gems of this city redden the routes of space, increasing the desire of attaining the heavenly pleasure. It appears as if vying with Savitri, the spouse of Brahma, in attaining intimacy with Brahma. The Devas and the sages who are endowed with great splendor and glory are doing penance there, observing yamas and niyamas, meditating on Brahma, the Lord of Yogins. They are involved in penance to attain the supreme goals as desired by them. तदिशबाहे तस्याद्रे शुंगर आदित्य सन्निभम् यत्तज्ज्योतिस् कामित्याहु सदा पाशुपते प्रियम् तस्य सानुसु हैमेषु रत्नचित्रेषु संस्थितः स्कंदनंदी महाकाल गणेशादिगणार्वहः स्वशिदुर्देवदेवस्य स्थानं त्रिपुरविद् विसः त्रिपुरविद्विषः रुद्रायुधगणैर्जुष्टम् ब्रह्माद्यैश्च सुरोत्तमै Upon this mountain is the northeast of Manavati. There is a summit with resplendence of the sun. The yogis call it Jyotishika. It's always endearing to Shiva, the Lord of beings. Skanda, Nandi, Mahakala and others who belong to the retinue group of Shiva are present. There on the evenly stretched ground at the top of the summit, embedded with gold and various gems, the abode of Shiva, who is controlling and directing Lord Brahma and others who conquered the three forts, is frequently resorted by 10,000 hosts of Rudras, Brahma and other gods, who are the foremost among Devas. Om, 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 Shiva, 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 Shiva. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Iti meruratosyaanye dikshu ye bhutarastitaha तच्चिस्तानि नवद्वीप वर्षाण्यस्मिन्निबोधमे निसदो हेमकूटश्च हिमवांश्च चलोत्तमः मेरोर्दक्षिणतो नील श्वेतशृङ्गिति वामतः सहस्रद्वयविम् विष्कम्ब दासोत्सेद नवान्तरः प्रकायतः सुपर्ववान साकरहितकोटयः ततर्देनत्तविष्कम्बौ मल्यवात् गन्तमादनौ यम्योत्तरौ प्रप्रतिच्छौ मेरु तस्तवान्तरौ Om Shiva, Om Shiva, Om Shiva. Om Kam Gam 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 Gamma Mangushtabhyam Namah. Om Am Kam Gam Gamma Mangushtabhyam Namah. Om Shiva, Om Shiva, Om Shiva, Om Shiva, Om Shiva. Om Am Kam Gam Gam Ham. Om Am Kam Gam Gam Am. Om. This is the description of the Mount Meru. There are 4 other mountains below the Meru. In in all the four directions known as the Vishkamba mountains. Presently, leaving the description of these mountains, I now describe the 9 islands and 9 varshas lying around the Meru. Let's all raise above all this to go to Mahakailasa, reach Paramashiva. In the varshas lying around the Meru, you need to know south of the Meru, 3 great mountains which are foremost among the mountains, Nishada, Hemakuta and Himavan. In the north side of the Meru, there are 3 great mountains, Neelachala, Svetachala, Shringachala. These mountains are with the width of 2000 yojanas and height of 10,000 yojanas. The mid space between these mountains measure 9,000 yojanas. Lengthwise they are extending towards the east and west up to the salty ocean, holding within them prospering lands known as Varshas. There are 2 great mountains, one in the east of the Meru and the other in its west. They are with the width of 10,000 yojanas and the height of 2,000 yojanas. The mountain in the east is known as Malyavan and the mountain in the west is known as Gandhamadana. Lengthwise they are extending towards north and south, covering the stretch of the land which is not occupied by the Nishada and others and the Varshas. These mountains in the east and the west are extending lengthwise up to 34,000 yojanas. Paschan Malyavata Prachyam Gandhamadana Sailataha Ilavartar Neelagirir Yamyatau Nisha Dadutak Patraswam Malyavat Prasyam Varsham Vatrajanakulam Suketanam Ketumalar Pradichyam Gandhamadanat Nishadat Arivarsham Yatyam Yato Hemakutaha Namna Kim Purusham Kyatam Bharata Himavagirihi Ramyagakyam Udaknilat Hiranyam Svetaparvadat Yaduttaram Shringavataha Kuruvarsham Taduchyate. The vast stretch of the land known as Ilavrita Varsha is lying in the west of Malyavan, in the east of Gandhamadana, in the south of Neelaparva, north of Nishadaparva. Around the Meru, the land is known as Bhadrashva Varsha, is lying in the east of Malyavan and in the west of salty ocean. It is inhabited by the virtuous people. The land known as Ketumala Varsha is lying in the west of Gandhamadana. In the east of salty ocean, it is provided with dwelling places. The land is known as Harivarsha, is between Nishta and Hemakuta. Land known as Kimpurusha Varsha, it's lying between Hemakuta and Himachala. The land known as Bharata Varsha is lying between Himachala and Southern Ocean. The land known as Ramyaka Varsha is lying between Neelachala and Svetachala. The land known as Hiranyavarsha is lying between Svetachala and Sringavana. The land known as Kuruvarsha is lying between Sringavana and Northern Ocean. Rise above all this with the Paramashiva Shaktipada. Vishkamba Shaila Chatvaroha Merostairya Vedasa Lakshandur Lakshonnataya Klipta Teshambhurvena Mandara Sveto Haritra Churnabo Yamyato Gandamadana Pratishyam Vipulo Nila Suparyas Chamutyato Runaha Sahasrayojanashrayastetu Kalpadrumastita Stitaha. Om. In order to effect the stability of the Mount Meru and protect it from any convulsive movement or shaking, 4 supportive mountains Vishkambas have been created by Brahma in all 4 directions. Each Vishkamba mountain is with the height of 50,000 yojanas. The supportive mountain in the east is Mandara in white color. Supportive mountain in the south is Gandhamadana, the color of turmeric powder. The west is Vipula, the color of blue. The north is Suparshva, the color of red. There are 4 heavenly trees known as Kalpavrikshas, one in each mountain. The height of each Kalpavriksha is 1000 yojanas. With the grace of Paramashiva, with the blessings of Paramashiva, the powerful DNA of Kalpavriksha land in planet Earth and bless all of us. Om. 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 Kelamba Jambavasta Dekrodo Chotarantika Jampubala Rasodbhuta Merumbaryetya Nimnaga Vivesha Moolamevasya Kanaki Krityatam Mahim Tatpitva Pakshisharpaku Mrigashaka Mugadaya Babu Kanchanayecha Satvastasyam Kritaplavaha Vipakedurap Bujjambu Kalpasakshisu Satswapihi Prabhavati Shayakyatam Jambodvipam Itam Tataha Gadamba Jambu Ashwatta Nigrodha. These 4 Kalpavrikshas growing in the east, south, west and north respectively. A river originating from the juice of the fruits of Jambu tree flows flows continuously in the clockwise direction around the Meru, having continuously transforming the land stretch of to be the nature of gold, enters into the ground at the bottom of Meru, having drunk the juicy water of that river. The birds, snakes, rats, deers, monkeys and other animals become gold colored. Likewise, all those who take swim or bathe in that river become golden hued. Because of such greatness of the Jambu tree, the Jambu Dvipa has attained the status of being the flag island, Dvipaketu, among the Dvipas. Even there are other Kalpa trees such as Gadamba and others in this island. This island has attained the significant name Jambudvipa because of the greatness and astonishing features of the Jambu tree. With the grace of Paramashiva, all the four Kalpa Vrikshas, Gadamba, Jambu, Ashwatta, Naigroda, with their powerful DNAs, land on planet Earth and bless all of us. In the whole world, there is only one place where all these Kalpa Vrikshas, all these four Kalpa Vrikshas are still alive, is Adi Kailasa. In Adi Kailasa, all these four trees are together. Remember, if you have visited Adi Kailasa and meditate, now you will receive the powerful DNA of these four Kalpa Vrikshas, Gadamba, Jambu, Ashwatta, Naigroda. All four exist in one place, only in Adi Kailasa, in this whole planet Earth. They came directly from Kailasa, Maha Kailasa, and living all four together even now for generations in Adi Kailasa. Remember and connect with Adi Kailasa if you have visited. You will experience now the DNA of all the four Kalpa Vrikshas. Om, 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 Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. प्राच्यं विष्कम्ब शैलस्य मूले चैत्ररतं वनं सरोरुनोदकं नाम तत्र नेमाब्जमन्दितं नेमाब्जमन्दितं हेमाचमण्डितम् यम्याद्रिमूले गन्धर्व सुर सिद्धाप्सरोवृतम् नन्दनं मानसं तत्र सरो मानसतस्करम् वैव्रज वैपुले मूले सिदोदश्च तदोत्तमः देवैर्निसेव्यते चन्न कमलैरां सुमात्प्रभैः सौपर्श्वे तृतिमन्नाम कणानां पत्रको कृतः सौगन्धिकां भुजश्चिन्न सेव्यते पितृविश्यतः. At the bottom of the supportive mountain Vishkamba in the east, there is a pleasure garden Chaitrarata, pond, Arunotaga, golden lotus flowers. At the bottom of the supportive mountain of the south, pleasure garden Nandana with a pond known as Manasarovar. It steals the mind of the visitors. It is frequently resorted to by Gandharvas, Siddhas, Apsara ladies. At the bottom of the mountain called Vipula in the west, there is pleasure garden known as Vaibraja, Siddhota, pond by the name of Siddhota. It is foremost among such ponds, being densely covered by the lotus flowers, which are with the brightness of sunlight. It is resorted by the celestial beings and gods. At the bottom of the supportive mountain Suparshava, in the north there is a pleasure garden called Tritimat, and the pond known as Bhadraka. It is densely covered with the flowers of blue lotus and red lotus and is resorted to by the Pitrus, ancestral deities. तिथिलक्षो लोको ध्रुव प्रांतो महीतलात् तदुन्नकोटीश्वरलोको स्वर्लोकः स्वर्गीवर्य समाश्रयः महो द्विकोटिर् यत्रस्ते मरीच्याति मुनिव्रजः जनो स्तकोत्यवाच्छिन्नः पितृजानु जनाश्रयः तपोर्का कोटिर्यात्रा स्ते महायोगी सनंतनः ऋभुश्चना सनत्कुमारश्च शनकश्च महातपः तदसत्यादि यस्तान सत्यलोका स्वयंभुवः कमलादि कामादिशय संपन्न कोटयो नवसप्तच सावित्री मूर्तिमध्यस्ते यत्र वेदश्च सानुकः तताश्चतास् सच्चेति मधुत्रिपुरवित् विशोः स्थाने ज्योतिष्मयि चित्रे कोडिरांधकतकः शतकोटि प्रविस्तीर्ण यदि ब्रह्मांड गोलोकः भूयासतुल्य एवयः सर्वश्रोतासु मनातकः Above the Bhuloka is the Bhuvarloka rising up to the Dhruvamantala. Om, Om, Om. Om, Om, Om. By the grace and power of Paramashiva, all of you are connected with me now. Let all of us be raised to Mahakailasa through this path. Above the Bhuloka is Bhuvarloka rising up to Dhruvamandala. From the Bhuloka to Dhruvamandala is the height of Bhuvarloka is 15 lakhs of yojanas. Suvarloka, the dwelling place of prominent denizens of the heaven, is above the Bhuvarloka. Its height of 85 lakh yojanas. Maharloka, the abode of Marichi and other such prominent sages, is above the Swargaloka, rising to the height of 2 crores of yojanas. Above this is the Janoloka, where the Pitrus and sages such as Janu and others are living. Its height is 8 crores of yojana. Tapoloka is above the Janoloka. The great yogi Sanantana, Ribu, Sanat Kumara, Sanaka, who are the great ascetics, are living there. Its height is 12 crores of yojanas. Above this is the Satyaloka, abode of the Brahma, whose cognitive mind is centered only on Satya and who has attained the lordship over the Kalpa. Because of such powerful cognition, it's abounding in all kinds of the wealth and awe-inspiring objects and enjoyments. Its height is the 16 crore of yojanas. Savitri, the Vedas and the Upavedas are there, assuming their relevant forms above the Satyaloka. There is abode of Vishnu, Paramapada, who subdued Madhu. Its height of 4 crore yojanas. 4 crores of yojanas. The abode of Rudra, the conqueror of Tripurasuras, is above the world of the Vishnu. Its height is 6 crores of yojanas. Both these worlds are highly resplendent and are replete with variegated creations. Above the world of Rudra is the shell of Brahmanda, whose thickness measures 1 crores of yojanas. Thus it is to be known that the Brahmanda, which is with the extent of 100 crores of yojanas, the extent measures almost equally in all directions, above, below, east, north, south, west, and all directions. Below, above, east, south, west, and north. Om. Bow down to Mahaganapati. Om Mahaganapataye Namaha. Om. Bow down to Mahanandi. with their blessings and permission, with the grace of Paramashiva, let's all enter into Maha Kailasa, experience Maha Kailasa. Om 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 Om. Om 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 Om. Om 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 Om. Om Paramashivoham. Om Shiva, Shiva, Shiva. Om Paramashivoham. Om Shiva, Om Shiva, 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 Shiva. Shivoham, Shivoham. Om, Om, Om. Shivoham. Om, Shiva. Om, Om, Om. Om Shiva, 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 Shiva. Shivoham, Shivoham, Shivoham. Paramashiva, 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 Paramashivoham, Paramashivoham, Paramashivoham. Om Nityanandam, Om Nityanandam, Om Hrim Nityanandaya Namaha, Om Hrim Nityanandaya Namaha, Om Hrim Nityanandaya Namaha, Om Nityanandoham, नित्यानन्दोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ परमशिव ॐ परमशिव ॐ परमशिव ॐ परमशिव ॐ परमशिव ॐ परमशिव 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 I bless you all to experience Mahakailasa. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching Kasi. Living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, Paramadvaitam. The state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness, and Kailas, Mahakailas of Paramashiva, Paramashivoham, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.